$5 brand sweet water in this traffic jam. Sign on the street glowing gently, wisdom struck another man. How far can you go? How far can you ride? Stare at the wheel, faith left town, one-way ticket to the underground. How far can you go? How far can you ride? Stare at the wheel. How far can you go? When you fall apart, a shot in the dark, you will ride all by yourself through this world, straight to hell. Leave me blind, leave me blind, leave me blind. Heat of that motor running, running like the devil can. Lines in your face keep cutting, cutting deep. Soul again, one more mile, one more time. Fragment of yourself, you've lost your mind. No breaks in this game you're playing, in this game you're playing now. You're a rolling soul, blackened wherever you are. How far can you go? How far can you ride? Stare at the wheel, straight left down, one-way ticket to the underground. How far can you go? How far can you ride? Stare at the wheel. How far can you go? When you fall apart, shot in the dark, you will ride all by yourself through this world, straight to hell. Leave me blind, leave me blind.
During our lifetime, we traveled many.
Hinladen von allem.
Going out, riding down the road for a long time. No time to rest, no time to get laid. Hanging out, play a show just for a single dime. You have to play the game before you get paid. No way to run, no way to hide, no way to step back and no way to feel pride. No way to lose, no way to choose, no way to step back from the hangman's noose. I will not reach. in town, another chokehold in life has come to follow you, another book on your shelf. Believer, have you lost your way? Believer, have you said your prayers? Believer, have you lost your way? Believer, have you said your prayer? Sudden change of mind, stumble upon yourself, a change in every way. Thoughts are here to stay. A prayer for when you were wrong, a prayer for when you were strong, a prayer for the hard times, now they've left you all alone. The truth in town, another chokehold in life has come to follow you, another